Yeah, this is a quick video to show you the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I ordered this about 2 weeks ago, and it came right, it arrived the next day. I didn't have a chance to order when they first came out, and they ran out of stock, so I've been waiting for it. So I finally got it now. Yeah, I got it about 2 weeks ago, but I didn't open it yet. The reason why, because I've been waiting for these things to come. I also ordered a tempered glass for it, made by Anchor. I've used them before, and it works pretty good. This is the caseology for for the phone. This one I haven't used it before, but I went shopping around, just happened to see this one made by Spect. I've used them before, and it works really good. The reason why is they have the little lip right there. That leaves a little space for between the screen and if you lay your phone flat, it doesn't touch the glass, so. I dropped my phone before with this case, and it works really good. It's kind of protected, this thing runs about $30. I wouldn't recommend getting anything cheap. It's a $1,400 phone. You want to be well protected, but I don't want it to be like a bulky one, like an Autobox. That's too bulky, and why would you want to put something so beautiful into a thick case, But anyway, I cut that open already, but let's open it, okay? Check this out. Ooh, look at that. Oh my. Isn't that cool? That's how they open it. That's how they wrap it. So let's see. Oh, they wrap it like a clear plastic, like a little blanket here. That's pretty cool, right? So here it is. It's an iPhone 11 Pro Max, okay? So you can see right away the difference between this phone and the XS, and because the 3 cameras. I'm sure you've seen the commercial of it, so I'm not going to go into detail on that. So let's open this guy. All right. Just like a kid, we love to open this thing. And Apple design is such a great thing that when you open it, it looks so cool. Oh my mind, look at that phone. That is the best. Just like every phone that they design is just perfect. It fits in your palm of your hands. Is really good. On this video, I'm not going to show you how to set it up. I'm sure you can figure that out on your own, or if you have other questions, I'm sure you can find it online as well. But I'll try to make another video if I have any tricks and tips and anything like that, okay? Ooh, this one actually comes with a, I believe this is an 18-watt power block. It charges the phones a lot quicker, so I think they definitely need this one. Okay, well actually we need this one. I'm glad they put this one in there, or it'll take forever to charge. Headphones, typical headphones, wire. I don't use this anymore since I use the AirPod now. Well, I don't know. I can always keep this one as on the spare. I wish they include the AirPod, but of course Apple, they're not going to do that. Manual, rarely reads them anymore. So the next step is turn it on, peel these guys off. But before I even use it, I'll take this guy, I'm gonna charge it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put on the case first before I actually do anything. First thing I will do is put in a tempered glass for the phone. I just usually do it myself. I have the little rollers that I can push it out to make it there's no bubbles on it. And of course put on the case. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. That's just a quick video to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comment or suggestions, please leave it down in the comment below. And thanks for your support. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye now.